Hello, everyone, and welcome to my book club show. My dear friends, I am arranging a book club show, and our first book is How to Enjoy Your Life and Your Job. And today we are going to take the second chapter of this book. And what is the second chapter? Second chapter is Do This and You Will Be Welcome Anywhere. Do this and you will be welcome anywhere. Writer is telling us some things in this chapter, and if we will follow those things in our behavior, then you will be welcomed anywhere. Means we will be welcomed anywhere. People will welcome us everywhere if we will do the things which are told in this chapter. And uh, in the beginning of this chapter, writer tells us why read this book to find out how to win friends. Why not study the technique of the greatest winner of friends the world has ever known? Who is he? And writer is telling us why are you reading this book? For winning friends. You want to win friends in life, and for that you are reading this book. But he is saying us that there is one great example, and that will teach us how to win friends. And here writer tells us that all of us are familiar with dog. There are many dogs, and if you have a pet dog at your home, you will have the experience how he loves you. When there is a pet dog at your home and you are having your food, you are having your meal, and that dog comes there, at that time what does the dog do? The dog wags his tail. What is the dog doing? The dog is wagging his tail. He is showing his love towards us. And when he is showing his love towards us, at that time we are having food. Then we give him chapati or bread to eat. And my dear friends, dog shows his love towards us. Why did he show his love towards us? He does not want to marry with us, or he does not want to sell his property to us, but it is his nature. And that's why dogs have many friends. Writer says that dogs have many friends. Why? Because of his nature. He will come near us. When we will go home, and if we have a dog at a home, he will run towards us. He will jump towards us. He will gestures and he will show that he is loving us. And writer tells us that there are many animals and they have to do work for their livelihood. Though there are animals, as cow gives us milk, hen gives us eggs, and there are birds, they have to sing for food. But the dog is only one animal who does not have to do anything for his livelihood, and he has to do only one thing. What is that? He has to show his love to us. He has to show his love for us, and he gets food without doing anything. And in the same way, writer is telling us you knew by some divine instinct that you can make more friends in 2 months by becoming genuinely interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. And writer tells us here that if you have to make friends, then what should you do? You should show your interest in other people. You should show your real interest in other people's, and they will become your friends. And if you will try to impress them, and if you will try to make them interested into you, then they will not become your friend. Why they will not become our friend? Because writer tells us that in this world nobody is interested in you and nobody is interested in me. Everybody is interested in themselves. People are interested in themselves, and for this writer gives one example. If there is a group photograph, if there is a group photograph of yours, and when you watch that photograph, when you look into that photograph, first of all you search yourself in that photo, where you are, how are you looking, are you looking smart or not. You search yourself first of all in that photograph, means it shows that you are interested into yourself. You are not interested in other people's, or you are not interested in anybody else. So we are interested in ourselves, and when we show our interest into others, at that time they show their interest into us, or they become our friends. And now writer is telling us another example, and he says, I once took a course in short story writing at New York University, and during that course the editor of a leading magazine talked to our class. He said he could pick up any one of the dozens of stories that drifted across his desk every day, and after reading a few paragraphs he could feel whether or not the author liked the people. If the author doesn't like people, he said, people won't like his or her stories. Here writer tells us that there are authors and they become famous, their books become famous. Why do their books become famous? Because they love people. People love to those writers who love people. And there are some writers, they don't become famous because they don't love people, and that's why people don't love them. And writer is telling it to us that if it is true for writers, then it is sure for us also. When we are meeting people face to face, at that time if we will show our interest in other people's, then only they will become our friends. And writer gives one more example of a magician. This magician was doing magic show since last 40 years, and he had traveled all over the world, and he had done many shows at various places, and people had paid him a lot of money for his show. People liked him. And when writer asked that magician, what is the secret of your success? Why do people come to your show? Then he told the secret of his success. He said that he has no education, because when he was a small boy, at that time he ran away from house and he wandered on the road and he begged for food. But after some days he become a magician. He becomes a magician, and he said that he knew the human nature and he was a perfect showman, and he loved his audiences. When he goes on the stage, he says, I love my audience, I love my audience. And he expresses gratitude towards his audience. And that's why audiences are interested into that magician. That is the secret of his success. He told it to the writer. One more example, there was one old man. He was doing a job at a station, and he retired from his job after doing his service for 30 years. And then now he was at home and he was getting bored. He had no work, so that he went out of his house and he was going to music concerts and he was listening music. Now music became his hobby and he tried to sing songs, and one day he became a famous musician. He became a famous singer, and people were knowing him as a good singer. People were giving him importance, and his age was 72 years, and now also he was enjoying his life. Why? Because he had shown interest in people. He loved people. That's why people were loving him. And one more example of Theodore Roosevelt. Theodore Roosevelt was America's 32nd president, and he also was very popular in America. Why was he popular in America? He was popular in America because he called all the servants by name, and he gave importance to poor people also. And once writer's friend has told his experience about Roosevelt. He said that once his wife had called the president about something, and then when that president was passing near his house at that time, he called his house, he talked with them, and whenever he was passing near his house, he used to call them, whether they are at home or not, he used to call them. And he used to take interest in common people, and that's why people were giving importance to him. Then another example, the same concern for the seemingly unimportant people helped a sales representative, Edward M. Skies. There was one sales representative, and he had come from company Johnson and Johnson. He went to one drugstore to sell his products, and he directly went towards the owner of the shop. But the owner of the shop said he is not interested in the products of Johnson and Johnson. He tried to convince that owner, but he was not paying attention towards that salesman. So the salesman put his tail inside his legs and he went outside. He wandered all the town, and after 2-3 hours, once again he thought that once again he will go to the owner of the shop and he will try to convince him. And when he went there at that time, first of all he said hello to the clerks there in the shop, and then he went to the owner. Then the owner of the shop smiled and he welcomed him and he gave him the order double. Then he asked the owner, I had come here before some hours and you said you are not interested in our products, and now you have given me double order. What is the reason behind this? Then he said, when the salesman went out of his shop at that time, 19 years old boy came there and he told me about you. He told me that you give importance to every person. You give importance to clerks, you give importance to the servants in the shop, and you give importance to everybody. That's why I liked your nature, and that's why I am giving you order. Why did he give order to the salesman? Because he came to know that the salesman is interested in other people's. Salesman gives respect to other people's, and that's why he became his customer. And writer tells us, I have discovered from personal experience that one can win the attention and time and cooperation of even the most sought after people by becoming genuinely interested in them. Let me illustrate. Writer says that years ago I conducted a course in fiction writing at the Brooklyn Institute of Arts and Sciences, And we wanted such distinguished and busy authors as Kathleen Norris, Fanny Hurst, Ida Tarbell, Albert Payson Terhune, and Rupert Hughes to come to Brooklyn and give us the benefit of their experience. And so that we all students wrote them a letter, and all of 150 students signed below that letter, and we praised their work, and we wrote in the letter that we want their guidance, and so we requested them to come to our college and to guide us. And writer says that all those famous people, they don't have time, but somehow they took time and they came to our institute, they came to our college, and they guided us. Why? Because these all students gave them importance, showed interest in them, showed interest in their work. And that's why, though they were highly respected and higher classed people, but they came there and they advised these college students. And writer says that all of us be workers, though we are workers in a factory, clerks in an office, or even a king upon his throne, all of us like people who admire us. Which people do we like? We like the people who admire us. And here writer gives one example of the king of Germany. King, when the First World War stopped, after that King of Germany ran away from Germany to Holland to save his neck. And that's why all the people of his country went against him. They wanted to kill him because he ran away from the country. They wanted to burn his body. And there was one boy, 10 years old boy, he wrote a letter to the king, and he said, I respect you, though you ran away from our country, but you are our king. That's why I respect you. Then the king called that boy to meet him. And with that boy, his mother also went to meet the king. And then the king married with his mother. And that boy became the son of the king. Why this happened? Why did the king called a common boy to meet him? Because that boy showed interest in the king. He showed respect towards the king. And these are some things, if we will do in our life, then wherever we will go, we will be welcomed there. And writer has given many examples to prove how we can show interest in others, and then how we will be welcomed everywhere. If we want to make friends, let's put ourselves out to do things for other people, things that require time, things that require energy, things that require unselfishness and thoughtfulness. When the Duke of Windsor was Prince of Wales, he was scheduled to tour South America, and when he was scheduled to tour South America, before going to South America, he started learning the language of the people living in South America, because he wanted to talk with the people when he will go there. And when he learned that language, and when he went there, he talked to the people, he showed interest in the people, and that's why people showed interest in him, and his tour became famous. And writer tells us one more example of himself. He said that he used to call his friends, and he used to ask them, whether they believe in astrology or not, and he would ask them their date of birth, and he would write them into his diary, and then he would send a book gift on the birthday of his friend. He sent books as a gift to all his friends on their birthday, and so his friends remembered him forever. They never forget him. Why? Because he showed interest in his friends. And if we want to make friends, let's greet people with enthusiasm. When somebody calls us on the phone, we should receive phone and we should greet that person with smile. We should talk to that person with joyfully, and you should show that you are interested in that person. There are some companies, they give training to their workers how to greet people on phone, and so that when somebody calls you, we should speak to that person respectfully. Then that person will become interested in us. We will continue our next chapter tomorrow. Thanks a lot.